The Denby Energy Commercial Energy Audit Training Program is a comprehensive course. It has 11 segments to it. Everything from just an introduction to energy auditing to building envelope, lighting, energy bills, HVAC, machines, motors, economics of energy, basics of contract, installation, incorporation and insurance, and then an all-important immersion exercise that really shows you how to get in there and make it happen really quick with some very easy low-hanging fruit examples that are real examples. These aren't made up. These are real, and they're so easy. In all, there are 11 modules. It's a comprehensive learning platform that trains you on the essentials of energy auditing, on the economics of energy savings, because it's not all about just the auditing. A lot of it is about the economics. What does this mean to the business owner? It also trains you on the basics of contract. You're dealing with people. You need to know how contracts work. These are important aspects to any business, and we make them an essential part of this commercial energy training course. We also talk about incorporation and insurance, and finally, making money as an auditor. A lot of people know how to do audits, but they don't know how to actually turn that into dollars for them. We teach you the basics of doing that. Another incredible aspect to the Denby Energy programs is our sales and marketing training. Sales and marketing is essential to any business. Even if all you want to do is be the field tech guy doing the audits in the field, you still need to know the essence of sales and marketing, because whether you like it or not, you're selling yourself every day of the year. And people that you run into are going to experience that. And having the essentials on how to do marketing and knowing what's going on is important. If you're in the business to make this thing work, you're going to want sales and marketing training, and you're going to build out from there. Our sales and marketing training is comprehensive. It starts and focuses only on the energy audit business. We don't go into general theories about marketing and sales. You can get those from any textbook. We focus on how this applies to the energy audit business. And we also supply some marketing slicks and other pieces that help you get out the door to do your marketing and sales. So you're not just left with ideas. You've got actual products that you can manipulate and put your name and address on and send out. Another critical aspect to energy auditing is the resources. What are you getting besides the knowledge? Because you need some tools to get out there in the field to make it happen. And we provide you with the tools to help you be successful right from the start. We don't want you just to have the knowledge and then send you out blindly into the universe to do an energy audit. We want to provide you with the essential resources you need to get out to make it happen, to do it right, and from there you will build. The first one is a contract that's based around per square foot. So if you're doing an energy audit based on square footage, this is the contract for you. We've got another contract in there which is based upon a percentage savings, which is a fantastic way to do energy audits. You'll learn all about that in our programs. We go into great detail about how the percentage savings process works and the contracts associated with them. We also have some getting started materials. This is a step-by-step audit worksheet that will walk you through an audit from start to finish, so you can go through a building and not be concerned that you're leaving stuff behind that is essential to the audit. We also have the audit report template that you use. You fill it out, you put all the pieces in there, and you've got yourself a pre-made report ready to go to the client. We've got conversion factors, we've got lighting quick reference pieces. We also have our software side, which is our Excel spreadsheet. This thing is fantastic. It is so deep and so thorough. It covers so much of what you need to know. You plug it in, it's all ready to go. The equations are there for you to see. We're not trying to hide anything from you or make you pay for things behind the scenes. This is straight up. You get it, you can look at it, you can access it, you can make it happen with this piece of incredible software. We also throw in a bunch of free pieces. We throw in a break-even analysis worksheet. We throw in a cost flow worksheet. We throw in a profit loss worksheet. These are all to help you get your business up and running. Additionally, we include things like our square foot calculator. This tells you if you're doing per square foot audits, what you're looking at, what your pricing should be, how to calculate the pricing, and you plug in your square footage and it helps you figure it out for you. We also have our compound interest tables. These are essential if you're looking at doing some of the detailed work on energy savings with the economics piece. So in all, our audit resources are very detailed, and they're meant to help you get started doing an energy audit. We don't want to just train you and leave you out there like some programs do. We want to make sure that you get to done. One of the big questions that crosses a lot of people's mind is why use Denby Energy? We've just shown you a bunch of information about the materials we provide. They are fantastic materials, but let's talk about the essence. Why Denby Energy? The main reason can be summed up in one line. Our training programs are proven and effective. And why are they proven and effective? Let's talk about that for a little bit here. We've been around since 2008. Anybody else you see out there doing home and commercial energy audit training like ours with the 80-20 rule associated with it, they're copycats or they're licensees of ours. We've got a lot of licensees out there as well. We're the people that started this trend. We're the people that get it going through this process. We've sold over 1,000 of our training programs. When you buy our program, you're not buying somebody's new idea of how it might or might not work. You're buying a proven product. We've sold our programs all over the world. We've sold them in the Middle East. We've sold them in Canada. We've sold them in Central America. We've sold them in the Far East. Our programs are being used all over the world. And that is a great thing for you because their feedback has helped us make our programs bigger, better, and more. Don't be fooled by new programs that claim to have the next best thing. Look at the ones that actually are doing it. We have put countless people back to work, and we're not talking about just the 1,000 people that we've sold our training programs to, but we're talking about the people that they've hired to help in their businesses. We're talking about the suppliers who are supplying light bulbs and parts and accessories to go with the audit business and helping those upgrades happen, the contractors who are employed to make those upgrades happen. Countless people are going back to work because of our programs. They are effective and they are proven. We have dozens and dozens of strategic partners. So when you buy a program from us, you're not just a one-off sale that is pushed to the side. You're part of our network of people that you can access and you can come back to. And when we have new products, they come out to you and we give exclusives to our people inside. We've got all sorts of collaborators we work with. We've got affiliates we work with and trainers and licensees and products that we resell and help other people resell. And we've got resellers for the training programs and other Denby Energy aspects and sales and marketing, just to mention a few of the areas where our strategic partners are working. We have strategic partners everywhere, and it's growing every day. So when you join us as a trainee, you're getting direct access to everything that we have because that's all part of our business strategy. In addition to that, our programs have saved hundreds of thousands of dollars. Our programs are effective. They're working. They're doing it. They're saving money. We're out there saving people energy bills. And these aren't made up numbers. These are actual numbers. Our people have told us how much they're making, and they're doing a great job doing it. Our programs have also helped to eliminate millions and millions of pounds of CO2 emissions. That is phenomenal. It's having an actual impact. And those emissions aren't reduced by government regulation. Those emissions are reduced by voluntary choices of those businesses to save money. It's an amazing process. Our programs create profitable businesses at a time when many businesses are failing. Let's talk about a case in point of creating businesses. One of our clients purchased our training programs in March of 2009. They didn't come with any prior knowledge. They had no prior experience in the energy efficiency business, and they were a small operation. But what did they do to succeed? By December of 2009, they had eliminated 3.8 million pounds of CO2. One customer of ours has eliminated 3.8 million pounds of CO2. That's huge. This customer also saved their own customers over $360,000 in utility costs so far. On average, this client reduced their customers' energy costs between 25 and 30%. And their average ROI, which is return on investment, for those customers was only 7 months. In 7 months, those people made back all the money that they put into that energy efficiency upgrade. Those are incredible numbers. You can't find investments like that these days that have that short of a turnaround. Bottom line, I love this business. That is a direct quote from this guy. He is so excited about his business, and he got started with the Denby Energy programs, and you can too.